Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see installation, demo, import and editing of menu and header of the Kalium Creative WordPress and WooCommerce theme. It supports Gutenberg Editor, WPBakery and Elementor Builder. It has more than 23 demo sites. If you purchase the Kalium theme bundle, you will get a zip file. Once you unzip the file, you will get this folder Kalium main. Once you open it, you can see there are several folders available. When you click this theme files, you can see there's a theme file that is Kalium around 10 MB size and with the child theme. And if you come back and you can see there's another folder called bundle plugin. You can see there are some additional plugins are available. If you are unable to install plugin directly, you can upload these plugins. First go to the WordPress dashboard, then click appearance, then click themes. Once you go to the themes, click add theme, then click upload theme, click choose file. Now locate the unzipped Kalium file. So this is the folder Kalium main. Once you click open, there's a folder called theme files. Open that file. Here the Kalium main theme is here. You can see it's around 10 MB. Click that one and click open. Now click install now. Then click activate. Once it activated, you will get following screen. Welcome to Kalium, and you can see the version here. And there are menus about what's new, license, plugins, demos, those are things. So once you click license, so I have already installed the pre-activated GPL license version. If you purchase the original license one, you can copy paste the license here and activate. Once you click plugins, you can see there are several plugins needed. So this is Advanced Custom Fields Pro is the required one, and the WPBakery Paid Builder is the required one. The others are optional depend on the theme you are going to install. So no need to install every plugin here. You can directly go to the demos. Once you select the demos, during the import process, the plugins will be automatically installed and updated. So let's install the main theme. So the main plugin. So click import. So once you click, you can see on the left side, it says the required plugins. So these are the required plugins. On the right side, you can see the content import. So these are the contents going to be imported. Now you can click import. So once you click import, the required plugins starts to install and activated, but some versions of the Kalium theme not supporting to direct installation of the plugins. So in this case, you have to install them manually. So I'll show you how to import them. So you can see only the portfolio post type and the WooCommerce only installed and activated. Other three are not installed. So these plugins you have to install them manually. So the error messages comes as required plugins are not active. WordPress content role cannot be imported. So close this one and go to the plugins. So let's open in the new tab. So in the plugins, you can see that once you click install plugin, you can see portfolio post type, WooCommerce only installed. So these two already installed and activated. So other required plugin, you have to import them manually. Those are provided with the Kalium theme bundle. So let's click add plugin and click upload plugin, choose file. So here go back on the Kalium theme bundle. You can see the bundle plugins are here. So here the advanced custom profiles you have to install. Rev slider you have to install, and the product field also you have to install. So click this one, click open, click install now. Click activate plugin. Again click add plugin, upload plugin, choose file. Now let's select this drive slider. Click open, click install now. That's a revolution slider plugin, pre-activated one that is provided with the Kalium theme. So click activate plugin. Okay, just close this one. Again go to plugins, install plugins. Click add plugin, upload plugin. The plugin WPBakery, previously known as JS Composer. So that name is here. So this is the WPBakery. Click that one, click open, click install now. Now click activate plugin. So WPBakery plugin also installed and activated. If you want, you can install the Elementor plugin as well. So let's go there. Elementor plugin not provided with the bundle, so you can get the Elementor free from WordPress dashboard. So click add plugin. Here search for Elementor. So this is the Elementor website builder. So click install now. Click activate. But these kind of plugins, the Elementor free version is not enough. You have to have the Elementor Pro version. So if you need Elementor Pro version, just subscribe my channel and send an email. Okay. So now all the required plugins are installed. Again go to this laborator. This is the Kalium developer, and here click demos. So again click main demo. So click import. Now you can see all the required plugins are already installed and activate. And this side you can see all the content have been selected. Now click import. So it will take around 2 to 5 minutes depending on the internet speed and the hosting speed. So please wait for that period. Once the installation is completed, you will get following message. Hooray! Main demo content imported successfully. So if you want to view the site, you can click this view your site now. Wow, you can see all the demo contents have been imported here. But keep in mind, the images of the Kalium themes are copyrighted. So that's what the images are not appearing here. You have to replace them with your real images. So once you click these other categories, you can see this is a home. And once you click portfolio, there are several options available. You can see, and pages, you can see several pages available. So let's see how to edit this menu items and how to change the pages according to your need. For that, you have to go to the WordPress dashboard. So once you click this laborator theme options, you can see the branding settings. You can select the branding name here, and you can upload your logo. You can customize the logo sizes here. Once you click this header in menu, you can see the main header type like this. This is the standard menu of the Kalium. If you want some other menus, you can select other menus as well. And you can, if you want any top bar, you can enable the top bar here. For the top bar, you can add some items. So if you want, you can enable and sticky header. Here you can see once the mouse is moves, the menu also disappearing. So if you want to keep the menu item sticky, you can enable this sticky header. And here you can change the sticky header colors, those kind of things. You can do it leisurely. So let's save all changes. Let's refresh this, and you can see the menu bar is sticky. And if you want, you can change the color of the menu items. You can see the color here, like blue. Save changes. Let's refresh this. Now you can see this menu bar is with the blue background. Also, you can increase and decrease size of this tab. So those kind of things you can do here. Similarly, footer, block setting, all the kind of things are you can do here. So if you want to change this menu order and the pages, you have to go to the appearance, then click menus. So in the menu, you have to select the main menu. So by default, the main menu is already selected. You can see the main menu having home and portfolio having sub menus. Similarly, other types also having sub menus. So once you come here, when you see the portfolio like this, so you can visualize the portfolio with 2 column 1 like this, or 3 column 1, or masonry version 2. So whichever method you can display. So if you want to display, if you want to change this as a shop with this masonry display with the category of items, so you can go here. So select this masonry and drag that here, and you can delete other sub menus. So just remove this submenu, variant remove, variant 2 remove. So you can rename this masonry as shop and click save menu. Come back. Let's refresh. So let's click this shop. You can see the shop having all digital art, furniture, photography, paint like that it will have. So you no need this portfolio. So you can delete the portfolio main page and all these sub pages. So again, go back. So you can remove all these things. It's very easy. Just click this arrow and click remove. Similarly, you can remove all these portfolio items. So I have removed all the items and all the submenus under the portfolio. Now let's save. Here you can see the portfolio is here available with the submenus. So once you refresh, you can see that portfolio part is gone. So here you can have home, shop, and pages. On the pages, you can see team, team 2, about me, contact, services, maintenance. So you can select the preferred template. So for the team, if you want to keep this one, okay, the unnecessary pages have been removed. So let's rename. So after home, after that we'll have shop. Then you can have services. So let's remove this number 2. So services. So you can drag drop services here. After that you can put as about us. After services about us, then you can put contact us. This is contact us. So let's save the menu. Okay, let's come to the main site and refresh it. Now you can see home, shop, services, about us, contact us. After that, you will get blog elements and sample page. So if you want to keep the blog pages, you can select this blog type, the post. So you can remove other unnecessary post categories. So let's drag and drop this image gallery post before contact us, and you can remove all other unnecessary items. So these are the important pages you want to have, and if you don't want these things, you can remove this as well. So let's see how to edit the home page. There are several methods available, so you can edit with the front, or let's click this one, edit page. So this is the WP Bakery page builder. So you can edit with the WP Bakery page builder, or else you can use using the Gutenberg editor. If you want to edit with Elementor, you can see edit with Elementor is appearing here. So here you can see you can edit the page using the WP Bakery page builder. You can edit with the classic board or the front end editor. Once you click this front end editor, you can see all the contents are appearing for the editing on as in the front end. You can see you can edit here. So these kind of things. If you're familiar with WP Bakery, you can easily edit the contents here. So this is how you can install, demo, import, and customize the Kalium WordPress theme. So if you want the detailed demonstration of this Kalium theme customization, please subscribe my channel and stay with me. Thank you.